Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best plastic removal tool car is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked gadgets for any car enthusiast or DIY mechanic looking to maintain their vehicle's pristine interior and exterior without causing damage. This specialized tool is designed to safely and efficiently pry apart plastic trim pieces, remove stubborn clips, and access hidden components, making tasks like stereo installations, door panel repairs, or even minor bodywork significantly easier and less frustrating. Its ergonomic design and durable construction ensure a comfortable grip and long-lasting performance, preventing the scratches and cracks that inferior tools can inflict on your car's delicate surfaces, ultimately saving you time, money, and the headache of costly repairs. Number 5. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Introducing the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber, your new partner for an intense clean. Its powerful oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second, tackling grime with ease. Save time and energy with this innovative tool. It scrubs up to 2 times faster than manual methods, reducing strain and giving you back precious time. With robust water resistance, it's reliable for any cleaning situation, from the kitchen sink to the bathroom shower. Take the clean outdoors too, tackling grills and car tires. Perfect for tight spaces, it restores faucets, drains, tile, and grout to their former glory. It's also ideal for appliances and countertops, making them look like new. Keep your footwear looking its best. This scrubber polishes and deep cleans sneakers, shoes, and boots, helping them last longer and maintain their appearance. Trust in Rubbermaid's commitment to quality. They deliver dependable products designed to simplify your everyday cleaning tasks. What we like. This tool offers intense cleaning power, scrubbing 60 times per second to tackle grime effectively. It saves you time and energy by scrubbing twice as fast as manual methods. If you're looking for a way to deep clean various surfaces around your home, from bathroom grout to car tires, this is a great option. What people say. The tool is very effective for removing interior trim without causing damage. It has a good variety of shapes and sizes, making it versatile for different types of clips and panels. The plastic construction is durable and won't scratch the car's surfaces. Number 4. Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit, 5-piece set. Introducing our 5-piece Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit. Made from durable nylon, these tools protect your car's surfaces from scratches while providing strong leverage for panels and dashboards. This essential set makes removing dashboards, door panels, and plastic trim fast and simple. It's perfect for any car, SUV, or vehicle. Each tool is designed to last, offering a sturdy yet flexible build. They handle tight angles and edges without damaging fragile surfaces during disassembly. Safely extract rivets, fasteners, and car clips with our universal clip tool set. It includes multiple shapes for various applications, preventing metal-to-metal prying. This lightweight kit fits easily in your glove box or toolbox. It's always ready for quick access when you need to fix, replace, or upgrade your car's interior. What we like. This set is essential for panel jobs, making trim and dashboard removal fast and simple. Its durable nylon construction protects your car's surfaces from scratches while providing strong leverage. If you are working on your car's interior and want to avoid damaging delicate panels, this is the kit for you. What people say. This tool is a lifesaver for removing car trim without damage. The variety of sizes and shapes in this kit makes it easy to tackle any trim removal job. Durable and well-made, these tools feel like they will last a long time. Number 3. Auto Trim Removal Tool Set. This high-quality terminal removal tool kit is perfect for automotive, boats, RVs, trucks, or furniture trim removal and installation. It's ideal for car audio, door panels, window trims, clips, fasteners, and interior repairs. Our push retainer pin kit includes 8 common styles made from durable nylon fiber. They are designed to resist breakage and cracking, making them perfect for replacing door trim, radiator shields, fenders, bumpers, and splash shields. These self-adhesive cable clips attach firmly to smooth surfaces, helping you organize your car's cables. They offer a creative and easy way to keep your interior tidy. Crafted from sturdy nylon with a unique ergonomic design, these tools are comfortable to hold. They are designed to save you time and effort during tedious repairs and maintenance. This extensive kit includes everything you need, from retainer clips and hook picks to stereo removal tools and trim removal pliers. It's the ultimate solution for all your automotive interior needs. What we like. This kit is suitable for a wide range of trim removal and installation tasks on automotive, boats, RVs, and even furniture. It includes 8 common types of bumper retainer clips and helpful adhesive cable clips for organization. If you need a comprehensive set for various repair and restoration projects, this is a versatile choice. What people say. The tool is made of durable plastic, which prevents scratching your car's paint. It features a variety of shapes and sizes, making it versatile for different trim removal tasks. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control during use. Number 2. 4PCS Auto Door Clip Panel Removal Tool Kit. Crafted from thick, premium plastic, this set is built to last. It's a super handy addition to any toolbox, ensuring you're always prepared for the job. Inside, you'll find 4 distinct auto trim removal tools. They come conveniently packaged in a paper box, with new or old packaging shipped randomly. This professional-grade kit features 4 incredibly useful tools. They are designed for removing auto body trim and molding, working on both interior and exterior applications. Easily remove trim, molding, door panels, and dashboards with these tools. This versatile set saves you time and frustration, paying for itself with just one use. Featuring an ergonomic and unique design, these tools allow easy access under trim. They are engineered to correctly remove pieces at the fastener point without slipping. What we like. Made from thick and durable premium plastic, these tools are super handy for removing auto body trim and molding. They work on both interior and exterior trim, with specialized designs for different edges and fasteners. If you're an installer or DIYer who needs reliable, easy-to-grip tools for panel removal, this set is a practical addition to your toolbox. What people say. This tool is great for removing car trim without damaging it. The variety of shapes and sizes in this set makes it easy to tackle different types of clips and fasteners. Durable plastic construction ensures these tools will last a long time. Number 1. Keze 3PCS Auto Clip Pliers Set. Meet the Keze 3PCS Auto Clip Pliers Set, your ultimate solution for car interior and exterior trim work. This comprehensive set is designed to make your repair tasks easier and more efficient. This set includes a 9-inch 2-in-1 clip plier and 2 fastener removal tools, measuring 8.7 and 11.8 inches. With these versatile tools, you'll be equipped to handle a wide range of automotive trim removal and installation jobs. Crafted from high-quality No. 65 manganese steel and toughened PPE handles, these tools are built to last. Their abrasion and corrosion resistance ensure a long service life, while the non-slip, ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use. The thin clamp heads easily slide into tight spaces, allowing for effortless removal of door panels, clamps, engine covers, and more. Save time and effort with their user-friendly design, making intricate work feel simple. Ideal for automotive, boat, truck, and even furniture trim removal. These tools are designed to work on various plastic fasteners and accessories, ensuring a scratch-free experience for your projects. Keep your tools organized and portable with the included special storage bag. We are committed to your satisfaction, so please reach out to our customer service for any assistance, replacement, or refund needs. What we like. This set includes heavy-duty clip pliers and fastener removers made from durable manganese steel. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and saves effort during long jobs. If you frequently work on car doors, upholstery, or dashboards and need tools that are built to last and comfortable to hold, this kit with its convenient storage bag is an excellent choice. What people say. This tool is a lifesaver for removing interior trim without damage. The variety of shapes and sizes in this set allows for easy prying of clips and fasteners. Durable construction means these tools won't break easily, even with tough jobs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.